I'm Kuang-Yi. I'm originally from Taiwan and recently based in the Netherlands. I'm an artist and designer. Before being an artist and designer, I had worked as a dentist for a couple of years, so I have a medical background as well. I think there's a lack of gender diversity and inclusivity in medical training and medical school. For example, we take the Atlas of Human Anatomy made by Nature as an example. There's no Asian body or people of color in the book, but in Taiwan, when I was in medical school, we still use that book as a textbook to learn medicine, so that's problematic. We start with the book. We call it Atlas of Queer Anatomy. It's a critique, try to find other possibility to explore how to interpret anatomy in a new way with more diversity and inclusivity. In this artistic project, I would like to propose a chapter to blur this boundary between healthy and unhealthy, and I put all the image of microbes as we regard it as a pathogen and with our body part, so it's kind of a mixture of human body part and microbial living things. When they are in our body, we cannot see it. So how to visualize them within the context of our older body parts? So I somehow play with the scales, put them in the same level in the one image. So scientifically it's wrong, but I hope bring more imagination and creativity into this process of illustrating interspecies interaction. Basically, the goal of our project is to open up the possibility and reverse this discrimination in LGBTQI plus community. So we make this colorful, festive-ish visual interpretation of STI and anatomy, and basically we are trying to propose a different way to see this topic. We celebrate it instead of stigmatize it. The discrimination of LGBTQ plus community in STI is quite urgent and important to deal with. Some of the medical doctors are straight people and they are not familiar with sexual activity in queer community. So when they are making diagnosis of queer people who have STIs, it causes problem because they might misunderstood some of the transmission routes, and then the patient from queer community could not get the proper treatment and proper access to the sexual health. Yeah, so that's problematic for sure. Atlas of Queer Anatomy in the exhibition now is work in progress. So in the future, we are planning to do more chapters with more topics within the context, and we want to involve more artists and scientists to work with us to bring out more insight and open up the diversity and inclusivity.